Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.6% in the last session. According to the Ultimate Oscillator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the gold drop 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair dove 3.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
World stock markets struggled to recover after a 3-day losing streak, as stubborn inflation that has central banks on both sides of the Atlantic preparing to raise borrowing costs again next month kept investors on edge. Crypto exchange Binance is ramping up efforts to grab market share by expanding its free trading to include popular token Ether, ahead of one of the most anticipated events in the crypto market's short history. The yen dropped to its lowest level since 1998 as an overnight surge in treasury yields heaped more pressure on the currency, prompting a warning from a Japanese government official that did little to stem the tide.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT, the US average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's exports will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.